Malaysia Marine and Heavy Engineering Holdings BERHAD, 5186.KL. Market momentum is building as the Awesome Oscillator, AO, is showing a downtrend in the name over the past 5 bars. Awesome Oscillator shows the difference in between the 5 SMA and 34 SMA. If to be precise, 5 SMA of midpoints is subtracted from 34 SMA of midpoints, which allows to see the market momentum. Awesome Oscillator buy signals are created when the indicator crosses from below 0 to above 0, and sell signals when reversed. The oscillator changes from green, upward movement, to red, downward movement, and back to green again. The oscillator was developed by Bill Williams and outlined in his book, titled New Trading Dimensions. A favorite tool among technical stock analysts is the moving average. Moving averages are considered to be lagging indicators that simply take the average price of a stock over a specific period of time. Moving averages can be very useful for identifying peaks and troughs. They may also be used to help the trader figure out proper support and resistance levels for the stock. Currently, the 200-day MA is sitting at 0.88 for Malaysia Marine and Heavy Engineering Holdings BERHAD, 5186.KL, and the 50-day is 0.71. The 14-day ADX for Malaysia Marine and Heavy Engineering Holdings BERHAD, 5186.KL, is currently at 36.79. In general, an ADX value from 0 to 25 would represent an absent or weak trend. A value of 25 to 50 would support a strong trend. A value of 50 to 75 would signify a very strong trend, and a value of 75 to 100 would point to an extremely strong trend. Checking in on some other technical levels, the 14-day RSI is currently at 53.39, the 7-day stands at 50.79, and the 3-day is sitting at 56.51. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, is a momentum oscillator that measures the speed and change of stock price movements. The RSI was developed by J. Wells Wilder, and it oscillates between 0 and 100. Generally, the RSI is considered to be oversold when it falls below 30 and overbought when it heads above 70. RSI can be used to detect general trends as well as finding divergences and failure swings. At the time of writing, Malaysia Marine and Heavy Engineering Holdings BERHAD, 5186.KL, has a 14-day Commodity Channel Index, CCI, of -51.85. Developed by Donald Lambert, the CCI is a versatile tool that may be used to help spot an emerging trend or provide warning of extreme conditions. CCI generally measures the current price relative to the average price level over a specific time period. CCI is relatively high when prices are much higher than average and relatively low when prices are much lower than the average. Investors may be watching other technical indicators such as the Williams percent range or Williams percent R. The Williams percent R is a momentum indicator that helps measure oversold and overbought levels. This indicator compares the closing price of a stock in relation to the highs and lows over a certain time period. A common look-back period is 14 days. Malaysia Marine and Heavy Engineering Holdings BERHAD, 5186.KL, Williams percent R presently stands at -80.00. The Williams percent R oscillates in a range from 0 to -100. A reading between 0 and -20 would indicate an overbought situation. A reading from -80 to -100 would indicate an oversold situation.